Okay guys, first, before we start creating simultaneous streaming, we will download OBS right now in this video and configure to make sure you add the video sources and audio sources, your webcam, your microphone, your videos, your logo, everything we will add here to make sure you have like a TV show style streaming session for your audience. Okay, so go to obsproject.com right now. Click on download OBS Studio. Here we choose the version Windows, Mac, or Linux. In this case, I am on a Mac. If you are on Windows or Linux, the steps are very similar, so you can follow the specific steps I'll give you in this video. I already have the program installed here on my computer. I won't show you how to install. It's very easy. You probably know how to do it. And when you are ready, when you install, you can open the software. We are here on OBS Studio for Mac, and I'll show you first how to add sources, video sources and audio sources, to make sure we have all we need in order to create the streaming, the live streaming on social media channels. Okay, so here we have the scenes. Here we have the preview scene and the live scene. So we have two options. So we can load videos here, or we can load sources here, your webcam or something, and you can do a transition to this one, which is the live one. I'll show you in the practice how this works exactly, so you know how to do it. So this is the display. Below here we have the scenes. We will add the scenes and the sources in here. We have the mixer option where we have the audio, the channels, and all that. The scenes transition, so you can switch between scenes and you can create transitions. We have two transitions right now. You can add more transitions if you want, going to obsproject.org and see how to do it there. And here on the right side we have start streaming, start recording, studio mode. The studio mode switch between one screen or two screens. We have settings. We will explore settings here on this session too, so you can make sure that you have the absolute best settings to guarantee that you are having a streaming with amazing quality. And exit is to close the program, of course. Okay, now we need to select the source. So click on plus here to add the source, and for the webcam we will select video capture display. You see here that we have audio, input, output, browser, software, colors. We can display a picture. We can use your monitor. We'll add your monitor too in case you want to do demonstration for your audience. So in this case, video capture device is asking for the name. So I'll select my webcam name, which is the C920. Say OK here. And now here we have the device. We can choose. These are all the cameras I have on my computer right now. And the one I want is this one. You can see me now. Hey guys. And you can see the preset is right now to 1280 by 720. This is the one recommended because Facebook is actually, if you are doing Facebook Live, they are doing up to 720p quality right now. Okay, so this we have already. Click OK here. Now you can see me here on the left, and we can resize this source to cover the whole area. Okay, so just click here on the square and expand it to make sure it covers the whole area here. So we have the webcam. That's amazing. Click on plus to add now your monitor. We'll add my monitor in this case. So let's say here monitor. Okay. Excellent. Now we need to choose another source. Click on plus here. Let's choose for the monitor display capture. If you have more than one monitor, it will show here monitor. Say OK. The name is already in use. Let's see. Let me try another one. Monitor 2. I have two monitors here. Excellent. So now you see my monitor here. So display 0. That's the number of my monitor. Crop none. Yeah, you can also select only a window. You can do it manually. You can select manually an area of your monitor. I'll say no for now and leave it like it is. You see all this infinite screen because that's what I have right now on my monitor. Okay. If I remove this guy from here, I hope that you can see now my OBS, my browser, right? So that's what we have. So let me go back here. Excellent. So now we have the webcam here, and we have the monitor. Next, we will add one more thing, which is the logo. So if you want to show your logo during your stream, you can add that. I would like to add my logo here on my webcam, okay? Only my logo will show when I am here with you on the screen. So to do that, I will, in the scenes, I will select the webcam scene, and in the sources, I will add another source, which will be an image, okay? Logo, that is the name that I'll use. Say okay here. And now I need to browse for the image. Let's find the image. Is here. This is my logo, diegodavila.com. Of course, I can resize this. I can change the logo. I can put, if it's not very clear on the screen, I can put a gray background on the back or a white background. That's up to you. You can do that easily in any image editing software, right? And here is saying low image when not showing. I won't check this. I will leave the image always loaded here on OBS, okay? When you already click OK, this is the logo, and now we can basically use this to resize it and move it anywhere we want. So let me resize this here. Perfect. And I'll put this here on the top left corner of my screen. So diegodavila.com. You can put it on the bottom. That's up to you. You can choose what to add here. And if you want to add another logo, if you want to add an image, a fun image for your customer, for your audience, you can do that too easily. So now we go to monitor, and when we go back here to the specific webcam, we always see the logo here with me, okay? So that's great, right? Because it's another way to add more elements to your stream, to your specific image, so they know you are I am actually promoting my website right now in this live streaming, because it's here on the corner. So people will see this stream and they will say, okay, diegodavila.com, let's check that out. And they will end up visiting my website, right? And if you are here on this course, we are talking also about retargeting. So they will visit my website. They will Facebook will capture I will capture their name with Facebook Pixel. I can later use that for my Facebook ads. So it's all connected, guys. That's why it's super important to have this live streaming always for your audience. So we have right now webcam with the logo in here. Let's see here. Here's the logo. We have the monitor showing my screen. If I want to do demonstrations for you, for my audience, demonstration about a product, a service, I can do that right now. But also one thing that is missing, it's actually not missing because it's already here. I already have this configured before, but I will add it again so you see how to do it. We will need to add an audio source, because now you are seeing me, but you are not hearing me, you know, because I don't have an audio configured here right now. So let's add another one here. So add a scene. You can do these two ways. You can add your microphone here as a source in the scene. So when you are a webcam, when you are using your webcam, you can add your microphone here. And also you need to do it when you are on the monitor, because you don't want only to show your monitor, you want also for them to hear you when you are talking, right? Or you can add it here on the main area of scenes. So I will do that right now. So I will say microphone. Say okay here. Let me change this to my webcam so you can see me. So here we have the microphone. I will add new source here. Let me find audio input. This is the one that we want. You can choose an existing one if you see here, or you can add a new one. So I will say this is the Blue Yeti microphone. Okay. And now I can select my microphone. So here we have the built-in microphone from my laptop, the Yeti stereo microphone. This is the Blue Yeti, the one that I am using to record this video actually. We have the microphone that is already inside my C920, and we have the Wirecast virtual microphone. This is another software that you can use for streaming. This is Wirecast. I am not promoting this on this video. I am not sharing this with you, but you can feel free to use it too, because it's around $500, and I want to use for you the one that is top quality, professional quality, and is 100% free, which is OBS. Okay, but if you want to pay $500, of course you can go to Wirecast. Some people like better Wirecast, but that's up to you. So in this case, the audio source that I'm choosing here is Yeti stereo microphone. Click OK. And that's it. Right now we have the Yeti microphone. You see the mic moving here as I am talking. You see here moving. If I mute this, you won't see any movement on the graphic, but if I unmute, you see my voice going through the software. So this means that the software is actually capturing my audio right now. Okay, so that's it, guys. We have all the scenes, we have all the sources. That's great. I'm happy that you are here with me on this lecture, and I'm happy that we have OBS ready for you to start streaming. Okay, in the next video we will talk about how you can stream at the same time to more than one platform, but also I'll show you if you want to stream only to Facebook Live, only to YouTube Live. I'll show you how to do that right now in the next video, and after that we are jumping immediately on the simultaneous streaming and how you can reach your audience in all your social media with only one session. Okay, see you there.